Hey, we got a special mail call today. First off, Moth Boys shirt. Thank you, Moth Boys. You rock. Got the enamel pin. Love it. We got the wooden pin and a rockin' sticker. But man, I'm a big fan of this. Thank you so much, Moth Boys. You guys are awesome. Go check out Moth Boys Podcast at Moth Boys Podcast. Also, got another package as well. Cryptid Crate. Check this out. It's going to be good stuff. Thank you again to Cryptid Crate for sending me some review crates to check out and to share with you. Oh, we got all sorts of stuff. Okay. This is, of course, the Snallygaster. Not a super popular cryptid, but I have a feeling for a few reasons this year, Snallygaster is the year of the Snallygaster. You'll find out. It's foreshadowing because there's a few episodes of Bigfoot Society that are actually going to be about the Snallygaster, but I'm not going to spoil that. You'll have to stay tuned. All right, let's see what's in the box. Oh, man. Open the box. Whoa. Oh, no way. That is really cool. It is a 3D printed Snallygaster. It looks like Cthulhu. It's not. It's Snallygaster. All right. Oh. We got stuff. We got more stuff. All right. Snallygaster. Liz Pavlik Designs, keep on creeping on. She is great. I'm going to give her a shout out. She makes amazing stuff. I think someday we need to have a chat. But keep on rocking with your stuff, Liz. It is awesome. This is cool. Keep an eye on this. Systema Paradoxa. This is actually a very cool book. I'm actually, I'll tell you, in the future, coming up pretty soon, I'm going to actually do an episode with the creators of this book. And this is it's an amazing fiction book about the Snallygasters and the time of history. It's about the Prohibition era, and it is really cool how it all ties together. I'm looking forward to this awesome interview about the book. And I mean, these guys are pretty much setting up in a cryptid fiction universe that's exclusive to Cryptid Crate. So stay tuned for that interview with the author and John L. French. Is going to be good stuff. And I believe my friend Danielle McPhail. Apologies if I'm not saying your names correctly. That is my curse. I'll make sure I get them right before the interview. All right, let's see what else we got in the Cryptid Crate. Oh, man. Oh, dude, no way. Oh, that is so cool. Look at this. I love that. That is a really cool... I want to say it's like an enamel pin of the Snallygaster. Dude, that's rocking. 2 awesome enamel pins in one day. I love it. Eventually, I'll get an awesome coat and I'll put them all on it. But I gotta get the right one, you know. All right, this looks like a shirt. Oh, dude, that's crazy. Look at this. That's pretty epic Snallygaster, dude. Just to make sure, and we're good to go. Man, Cryptid Crate, thanks again for sending me some awesome stuff. Your crate for the last few months to check out. You guys are killing it over there. In my show notes or my notes for this post, there'll be a special code that you can use if you want to get your own Cryptid Crate. And I'll have more information about that below. But thanks again, Cryptid Crate. Thanks again to the Moth Boys, one, for coming onto the podcast. go check out Michael's new book and Danner's, you know, how he illustrated the book. That's on a recent episode of the podcast, but Mothman Learns the ABCs. Check that out. You need to get yours right away, especially get it through Etsy, Amazon if you have to. But again, guys, and if, you know, I'm not gonna hide it, but if you want to send me stuff and then I can, like, you know, review it or, like, you know, use it to get more information for the podcast, read your book, your t-shirt, whatever, I'm not going to say no. Give me a direct message, and I'll give you the address to send it to, since we don't have a P.O. box yet. Eventually, in the future, we will. But thanks for watching this little video, this little unboxing for January. Have a good one. Be safe, guys. And keep on rocking.